Are you looking to start an online business? Perhaps you've been dreaming of the freedom and flexibility that comes with being your own boss. Well, you're in the right place. Today we're going to talk about how to get started with your very own online venture. Step 1. Discover your niche. Think about what you're passionate about. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? This is the perfect starting point for your online business. It's crucial to choose a niche that not only interests you, but also has potential customers who are interested in what you have to offer. Step 2. Conduct market research. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to understand your market. Who are your potential customers? What are their needs and wants? How can your product or service meet these needs? Doing thorough market research will help you answer these questions and give you a clearer idea of the direction your business should take. Step 3. Plan your business. This involves creating a business plan that outlines your business goals, target audience, marketing and sales strategy, and financial projections. A good business plan will serve as a roadmap for your online business, guiding you as you navigate the world of online entrepreneurship. Step 4. Build your online presence. This includes setting up a professional website, creating social media profiles, and starting an email list. Your online presence is your digital storefront, so make sure it reflects your brand and speaks to your target audience. Step 5. Launch and market your online business. Now that everything is set up, it's time to launch your online business. This involves marketing your product or service, engaging with your audience, and providing excellent customer service. Remember, the success of your online business depends on your ability to attract and retain customers. In summary, starting an online business involves discovering your niche, conducting market research, planning your business, building your online presence, and launching and marketing your business. It's a journey that requires time, effort, and dedication, but with the right approach and mindset, you can turn your business idea into a profitable online venture. So, take that first step today. Discover your niche, conduct your market research, plan your business, build your online presence, and launch your online business. The world of online entrepreneurship awaits you, and with determination and persistence, you can achieve your business goals and enjoy the freedom and flexibility that comes with being your own boss. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So get started today and turn your online business dream into a reality.